Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and welcome back to another pre-InfoComm edition of my Rants and Raves video cast. We've been focusing on brands that we believe that you need to make sure you include in your InfoComm tour stops. It's going to be a busy 3 days, and one of those that I suspect that a lot of people heard of CrimsonAV, but haven't really spent a lot of time looking at CrimsonAV. And I know that you have sort of redoubled on your efforts, Will. I'm here with Will Baer, who is the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at CrimsonAV, to focus on the commercial AV market and show them a little bit of love. I mean, obviously I've seen you, amp that up quite a bit, and you've always been there, but I think that in the last few years, I've seen a big difference. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, I think so, definitely, and thank you. And certainly those I think that have known us over the last 12 years probably know us as an AV mounting solutions provider, which is definitely for sure, obviously the core business. But over the last few years, and what we're excited to still continue to expand on here at InfoComm is our more than mounts business strategy. So we've expanded, quite a bit beyond just the traditional mounting solutions and accessories into a lot of products, very much digital signage focused, but like type products like kiosks, both indoor and outdoor. We have a lineup of all-in-one solutions. We have some great outdoor solutions. And then I guess we're most excited to continue to talk about our foray into the LED space through our LED experts group. So, the mission's always been high quality, high value. So we're looking to take sort of that same principle into some of those new ventures for sure.
Well, you'll be in booth 1674 at InfoComm. And I know that specifically QSR has been an area that you focused on. When you go through drive-throughs, everybody's switching to signage displays, but also the internal menus and the kiosks for ordering. When we go into your booth, are you going to show demos of these in applications that you've done, or what will we see, and how will you engage with the integrators?
We are definitely QSR is going to be a huge theme at the Crimson InfoComm booth. So some traditional products like indoor menu board solutions. We'll be showing off our ceiling mounted solutions, and then some of our wall mounted solutions, traditional wall plate solutions, but also some innovation we've put into the space with Unistrut focused products that, again, in all cases, the theme is simplicity, right? What makes the installer's life easier. And then you mentioned outdoor. I think taking the same principle, we'll be showing off one of our dual digital drive-through menu board solutions. And again, key theme, simplicity. They're designed to work with Samsung's OH series displays and then also LG's outdoor displays. Those are already fully weatherproof displays, so you don't need to reinvent the wheel in terms of enclosures and so forth.
They still got to be mounted.
Exactly. And so we aim to do that in an aesthetically pleasing way that looks good, and then again is just simple for the installers to deliver to their clients.
So let me ask you this: what would you say your differentiation proposition is for the typical integrator out there? Because there are quite a few companies out there that are in a similar space as you. What's your differentiation there? What? Give me a reason to come into your booth at InfoComm.
Sure. I'll give you two. I mean, I'll harp back to that sort of high quality, high value approach. So we're delivering, believe the highest quality solutions that are on par with our competitors at a great value. So we think we can help our integrator partners realize higher margins and higher profitability on these products.
I like the word higher margins. They like
exactly. That. And then, the part I think, salespeople, sometimes you forget to think about, it's the personalized service aspect. We think we deliver on industry leading customer service. We live the motto that you're a partner to us, when we're not just a vendor. So you're not just an account number, from the sales force, being your partner in hunting these projects and bring them to fruition, and then sort of how we deliver on a customer service aspect. I think we're second to none for sure.
Well, like I said, you're in booth 1674 at InfoComm, and I think that it's interesting because you're definitely part of the glue segment of our industry. Everyone needs a mount. Everyone needs to mount stuff. So there'd be no reason not to check it out. And of course, in the meantime, you can check them out at CrimsonAV.com. Will, I really appreciate you joining me today. Is there anything else that you're doing at InfoComm that we should know about?
Yeah, just one last thing. So we're also very excited to talk about our LED experts group business model. So we think we're bringing a pretty unique approach to the LED space that's very, again, partnership driven and educational focused. So anybody that's going to be at this show obviously they already know that the people we're talking to, the LED is huge and it's going to continue to be huge.
Yeah.
There's huge opportunity. The integrators are excited because it allows them to take back control of these projects in the large format space. And then also, again, back to profitability, sort of take back control of that. It's not something that can be easily shopped online. So, but with that comes a lot of unknowns and challenges. So we're looking to help sort of those small to medium-sized integrators that are either just getting started in LED or want to be, but are a little bit scared of the challenges, to help sort of be their partner and taking them through that whole process. So we bring together the hardware, the mounts, the service, the installation. Even we've partnered with a lot of content companies. We'll partner with Telecine for content at our booth here, and they'll be showing off some great stuff. And then last but not least, anyone that's interested in LED, we'd encourage them. We're conducting a training, Knowing the Unknowns in LED. I think it's 11 o'clock on Thursday.
And I'll put a link for that in the description just in case. Again, booth 1674. Will, thank you very much for joining me today. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. We'll see you at the show. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, and we'll be going around shooting videos at each one of these on every single product he talked about here on the show floor. And you can see all those at ravepubs.com/InfoComm, which is where all of our InfoComm coverage is. Thanks for watching.
All right. Thanks.
With